Put aluminum foil on your feet, and the next day, you won't believe the results. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that can happen when you dare to put aluminum foil on your feet. Many people don't know what this unusual trick is for, but I guarantee that when you find out why, you'll thank me forever. Created in 1910 in Switzerland, aluminum foil has become one of the most widely used products in the world. Its multiple uses make it indispensable in every household. Today, it is present in most homes, and here in my house, it was not going to be different. Just like in the house of Banda Lopez, who makes balls with aluminum foil and puts them inside cookie and cereal jars. This way, it prevents small bacteria from invading her food and kitchen. Maria Lucia uses aluminum foil to preserve fruit. What good advice! She says that lemons in the refrigerator wrapped in aluminum foil last more than 15 days without any change. They don't ripen or spoil, and the same can be done with apples and bananas. And Joanna Pereira uses aluminum foil when her nail clipper gets dull. She makes a little ball of aluminum foil and pokes it several times with the nail clipper. This greatly improves the cutting of the tool. You can also use aluminum foil to iron clothes more quickly. To do this, just place a few sheets of aluminum foil under the ironing board cover. This will also retain the heat from the iron on the board, making the process faster. You can also use aluminum foil to iron delicate fabrics like silk and wool. Just place a sheet of aluminum foil over the garment while ironing it so that the necessary heat to smooth the garment is transmitted without damaging the fabric. But you might be wondering, why put aluminum foil on your feet? Well, this wonderful tip is used to relieve muscle pain. That's right. Aluminum foil has great heat retention properties and therefore helps to relieve pain more quickly. This is because the heat generated by the body stays in contact with the skin longer, and the aluminum foil will help retain this heat. Additionally, you can apply it to any area of the body, which will provide results in many joints and muscles, and even aid in healing. To do this, cut a piece of aluminum foil, cover the sore area, and let it work overnight. Repeat this process for 7 days, or until the pain improves.